This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. All arrangements are in place for the second phase of Lok Sabha elections tomorrow. 97 constituencies spread over 12 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in this phase. All 39 constituencies of Tamil Nadu will go to polls in this phase. Other constituencies are 14 in Karnataka, 10 in Maharashtra, 8 in Uttar Pradesh, 5 each in Assam, Bihar and Odisha, 3 each in Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, 2 in Jammu and Kashmir and 1 each in Manipur, Tripura and Puducherry. In Assam, the Chief Electoral Officer Mukesh Sahu said that preparations have been taken to conduct smooth polls in the second phase. Sahu said that polling parties have already left for polling stations in some remote areas. Adequate security measures are being taken to ensure peaceful polling. Special arrangement is being made for senior citizens and people with disabilities on the polling day. In Manipur, repolling will be held in 19 polling stations under Outer-Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, which went to Lok Sabha polls in the first phase on the 11th of this month. Speaking to media persons in Imphal yesterday, Manipur Chief Electoral Officer PK Singh said the repoll will be held tomorrow from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. along with the polling to the Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency that will go to polls in the second phase. The repoll is necessitated following complaints of electoral malpractices and inability of polling personnel to reach in time at the polling stations during the polling on the 11th of this month. Repolling will be held at 1 polling booth in Chandel district, 4 in Ukhrul district, 11 in Senapati district and 3 in Churachandpur district. The opposition Naga People's Front in Nagaland has suspended its 7 MLAs for openly supporting the ruling NDPP nominee for the lone Lok Sabha seat of Nagaland, for which polling was held on the 11th of this month. The NPF, which has 26 MLAs in the State Assembly, did not field any candidate and supported Congress candidate KL Chisi. The Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party fielded Thokeho Yepthomi as the candidate. The Disciplinary Action Committee of the NPF had issued show-cause notices to the MLAs for issuing a statement extending support to Yepthomi. NPF President Dr. Shurholezi Lezitsu said that the Disciplinary Action Committee examined the reply of the MLAs to the show-cause notices and recommended suspension of their membership from the party. Congress General Secretary and Assam Observer Harish Rawat yesterday reiterated party's commitment to restore the special status to Assam. Addressing a press conference in Silchar, Rawat said that withdrawal of the special status has hampered the state financially. If UPA comes to power, Rawat assured that the new special industrial policy for the Northeast and Assam will be implemented. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma yesterday said that the state government would appeal before the Supreme Court to call off the rescue operation being carried out to trace the trapped coal miners inside a coal mine at Khloo Ryngksan in East Jaiñtia Hills district. The coal miners are feared dead as they were trapped inside the mine since December 13 last year. Talking to media persons, Conrad Sangma said that the government will approach the Supreme Court with an appeal to allow the government to discontinue the operation as it did not yield much result. According to Sangma, the government had maintained that the operation is difficult. The government is continuing with the rescue operation based on the Supreme Court's direction. As part of the bilateral relationship at the grassroots level, India and Bangladesh will set up a new border hut in Bholaganj area of Sylhet district bordering Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills. Official sources yesterday said that additional secretaries in charge Commerce Ministry from both the countries will visit the site next Monday. The new hut will be on a no-man's land, which will be convenient to villagers living on both sides of the border. Currently, 4 border huts exist on the Indo-Bangladesh border. A memorandum of understanding was signed in 2018 between the two countries for setting up 6 more huts, taking the total number to 10. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.